Ever wish your home and kitchen could run like a well-oiled machine? Well, now they can. Today, we're showcasing the top 26 best home and kitchen tools that are about to make your life so much easier. Whether you want to cook faster, clean smarter, or organize effortlessly, these tools have got you covered. Let's dive in and see how these game changers can elevate your space. The VMAI cordless electric mop is a powerful, efficient floor cleaner designed to make your cleaning routine effortless. Featuring dual motors that spin at 280 R/min, it quickly removes dust and stains from various surfaces like hardwood, tile, and laminate. With a detachable 2550 mop battery offering 40-60 minutes of use, adjustable rod, and LED headlight for hard-to-reach areas, this lightweight mop ensures an easy, hands-free experience. Its 300 ml water tank lets you spray and mop simultaneously while maintaining a super quiet operation at under 50 dB, making it perfect for larger homes and spaces. The Huda 316L Cast Iron Scrubber Cleaner is a must-have tool for effortless cast iron care. Crafted with durable 316 stainless steel and designed with fine chainmail rings, it efficiently removes dirt and grease without damaging the seasoning. Its large size and breathable silicone pad make cleaning quick and easy, while the ergonomic design keeps your hands safe from hot cookware. Ideal for cast iron skillets, pans, woks, and Dutch ovens, this scrubber also includes a bonus cloth for re-seasoning your cookware. Available in multiple colors, it's the perfect companion for any kitchen. The MyWea Furniture Dolly is a heavy-duty, versatile moving tool designed to make transporting large furniture and appliances effortlessly. Made with durable carbon steel and reinforced for added strength, this dolly features 5 360-degree rotatable rubber wheels that provide smooth movement without damaging floors. The upgraded design includes a larger load-bearing panel, a central fifth wheel for extra capacity, and safety features like anti-slip mats and a locking mechanism to secure items in place. Ideal for moving beds, sofas, refrigerators, and more, it's the perfect solution for stress-free relocation on wood, tile, and low-pile carpet floors. The Kitchen Dow Airtight Butter Dish is the perfect solution for keeping your butter fresh and easily accessible. Featuring a built-in sealing ring, this plastic butter holder keeps your butter soft while protecting it from dust, pests, and contamination. The innovative design includes curved ramps for easy scooping and scraping, and measurement marks to help control portions. With a non-slip bottom for stability and dishwasher-safe convenience, it's ideal for both countertop and refrigerator use. The Cambanina Curtain Rod is a versatile and stylish choice for your window treatments. Ranging from 72 to 144 inches, this heavy-duty curtain rod is perfect for various window sizes and can support curtains weighing up to 22 cups. Made from durable iron, it features a multi-section, telescopic design that ensures easy adjustment. The decorative netted texture finials add a touch of elegance, while the variety of color options allows you to match it with any decor. Ucopia Store-A-Roll Wrap Dispenser is a convenient 3-in-1 drawer organizer designed to store aluminum foil, plastic wrap, parchment, and wax paper. With its adjustable dividers and patent-pending cradle base, it keeps rolls neatly in place and ensures smooth, frustration-free dispensing. Equipped with 2 stainless steel safety cutters for clean cuts and a removable lid for easy reloading, this organizer also includes 16 labels for added convenience. Made from durable recycled plastic, it's easy to clean and fits perfectly in standard drawers. The Blink Mini 2 is a compact, plug-in smart security camera that offers enhanced home security with features like 1080p HD live view, color night vision with a built-in spotlight, and 2-way audio. It provides real-time motion detection alerts and smart notifications, including person detection, when paired with an optional Blink subscription plan. The camera is easy to install and can be used both indoors and outdoors with a weather-resistant power adapter. It also integrates with Alexa for voice control, allowing you to view live footage through Alexa devices. The 12-pack Fridge Magnets Refrigerator Magnets magnetic clips are heavy-duty clips designed for organizing and displaying papers, notes, and photos on metal surfaces like refrigerators, filing cabinets, and whiteboards. Each clip is made of high-quality metal with a rust-resistant color-printed finish and features a strong magnet capable of holding up to 25 sheets of A4 paper. The smooth, polished surface of the clips ensures they won't scratch your metal surfaces. Additionally, anti-scratch sticky pads are included for extra protection. These versatile clips are ideal for home, office, and teaching environments. The 30x 21-inch extra-large bamboo cutting board by Bamato Craft Bamboo is a versatile, eco-friendly kitchen essential made from 100% natural bamboo. It features a large cutting surface, perfect for chopping vegetables, meat, or even using as a cheese board or food tray. The board includes detachable legs, allowing it to function as both a countertop cutting board and a stovetop cover, providing added protection for your kitchen appliances. Its practical design includes a juice groove and a front 90-degree corner for secure placement. The board is easy to clean by hand with mild detergent and warm water. The Intanki timer is a versatile and user-friendly digital timer perfect for various activities such as cooking, studying, and exercise. With a maximum countdown of 99 minutes and 59 seconds, it features both loud and silent modes, making it ideal for kitchens, classrooms, and even for kids' time management. The built-in memory function saves your settings, while the strong magnet, durable kickstand, and hanging hole offer flexible placement options. The large screen and clear buttons make it easy to use, and the package includes 2 timers with AAA batteries, ensuring long-lasting performance. The Tide-to-Go pen is your portable solution for fresh stains on the go. This compact, bleach-free stain remover works on a variety of food and drink spills like coffee, ketchup, and wine. Easy to use, just blot the stain, apply the solution, and rub with a microfiber pad. Perfect for keeping in your purse or bag, it ensures you're always prepared for those unexpected stains, all without harming your clothes. A must-have for anyone on the move. The Priority Chef Potato Ricer makes mashing potatoes effortless, delivering smooth and fluffy results every time. With a large 15 OZ basket and Threm ricer holes, it speeds up meal prep while providing finer textures. The anti-slip cushioned handles offer easy leverage, reducing arm strain. Made from high-quality, rust-proof stainless steel, it's dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Perfect for mashing potatoes, veggies, and even making baby food. This ricer is an essential tool in any kitchen. The Leverett Top-Fill Humidifier is perfect for maintaining a comfortable environment, with its 2.5 L capacity, providing up to 25 hours of continuous mist. The Leverett Top-Fill Humidifier eliminates spills and simplifies refilling. It's designed for easy cleaning with a large opening, preventing buildup and hard-to-reach spots. Operating at a quiet 28 dB, it's ideal for bedrooms, baby nurseries, and any peaceful space. With a customizable mist output and a 360-degree nozzle, it provides full control over your room's humidity. Plus, the auto shut-off feature and BPA-free construction ensure safety. The Hujo Refrigerator Organizer Bin Set includes 8 clear BPA-free plastic bins, each measuring, perfect for organizing your fridge, freezer, pantry, or kitchen cabinet. These bins make storing fruits, drinks, condiments, and more effortless. The clear design lets you easily spot what you need, saving time and reducing clutter. With built-in handles, they're easy to access and transport. Made from durable, shatterproof polyethylene, these bins are food-safe and simple to clean by hand. The handy laundry folding step stool is a versatile, lightweight, and durable stool that supports up to 300 lbs. Whether you're helping a child reach the bathroom sink, accessing high cabinets, or need extra seating, this stool is perfect for all ages. Its space-saving design makes it ideal for small spaces, easily folding for storage in tight spots like drawers or under furniture. The stool features a gripped surface for safety, preventing slips, and is available in various colors. Offering great value, it's a practical addition to any home. The Gorilla Grip stainless steel heat-resistant kitchen tongs come in set and are designed for durability and precision. With silicone scalloped edges, they securely grab a variety of ingredients, from small items like cherries to larger pieces like meats and veggies. The silicone head is scratch-resistant, ensuring your non-stick cookware stays safe, and it's heat-resistant up to 484 degrees. The tongs also feature a slip-resistant handle with an ergonomic thumb rest for added comfort. Made from sturdy stainless steel, they are rust-resistant and dishwasher-safe. The Eco Aroma Touchless Automatic Soap Dispenser is a sleek and convenient solution for hygienic hand washing in the kitchen, bathroom, or other spaces. It offers a touch-free, quick response, detecting hands within a 3-inch range and dispensing soap in just 0.2 seconds. With 3 adjustable dispensing settings, it can be customized for various environments. The dispenser is USB rechargeable, offering up to 3 months of continuous use after a single charge. Its water-resistant design ensures reliability in wet environments. The HZ-Man stainless steel polished beer bottle opener ring combines functionality with style. This sleek, high-polished ring is crafted from durable stainless steel, ensuring it's sturdy, hypoallergenic, and resistant to tarnishing or rust. With exquisite craftsmanship and a comfortable fit, it's perfect for everyday wear. The ring also serves as a practical beer bottle opener, making it a unique and thoughtful gift. It comes in a fashion jewelry bag, adding to its appeal. Whether for yourself or as a present, this ring offers lasting color retention and a practical yet stylish design. The Grissonio lavender-scented drawer liners provide a fresh, fragrant touch to your home. This set includes 10 sheets of lavender-scented paper, each measuring perfect for decorating and lining drawers, shelves, or closets. The beautiful lavender flower design adds a simple yet elegant look to any space, while the pleasant lavender scent enhances the atmosphere. Made from high-quality offset paper, these liners are durable, waterproof, and easy to cut for a perfect fit. They are also washable, ensuring long-lasting use, ideal for creating a fresh, aromatic home. The XL Steel Stainless Steel 2-Cup Egg Poacher is a versatile and durable kitchen tool designed for easy, perfect egg poaching. Made with rust-resistant stainless steel, this egg poacher doubles as a regular cooking pan, allowing you to cook a variety of dishes. Whether you're making eggs Benedict, toasted English muffins, or a light breakfast snack, it ensures consistent results every time. The non-stick egg cups make cleanup a breeze, and all parts are dishwasher safe for added convenience. Ideal for everyday use, this poacher is perfect for breakfast or brunch enthusiasts. The Ravenda 12PC's rug tape features an innovative triangle design for maximum contact and firm adhesion, keeping your rug securely in place while preventing curling corners. Thin and discreet, these grippers maintain the flat appearance of your rugs. They are reusable, easy to clean, and leave no residue when removed. Perfect for hardwood, tile, marble, or concrete floors, they ensure safety and stability. Installation is quick and straightforward with dual-sided adhesive stickers. Note, not recommended for rugs with fluff, jute, or rubber backing, or for use on carpets. The Walfo Silicone Basting Pastry Brush Set is a durable, heat-resistant, and versatile tool for all your cooking and baking needs. Featuring an upgraded one-piece design with a strong stainless steel core, these brushes ensure no bristle shedding or trapped bacteria, keeping your food safe. Made of premium, BPA-free silicone, they withstand temperatures up to 450 degFF without melting or warping. Ideal for evenly spreading sauces and marinades, these brushes are easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and maintain their quality over time. Perfect for BBQs, baking, and more. The Amazon Basics collapsible fabric storage cubes are a practical solution to keep your home organized. This set of 6 sturdy yet lightweight storage cubes is made from durable, breathable fabric. The Hologme 6-pack dish brush scouring pad set is your ultimate kitchen cleaning companion. This versatile set includes a bottle brush, a long-handled dish brush, a palm scrubber, and 3 straw brushes, providing tools for every cleaning need. With non-scratch nylon bristles and sturdy bamboo handles, it tackles stubborn stains without damaging surfaces. The soft bristle dish brush and built-in scraper make grease and grime removal effortless on cookware and utensils. The palm brush offers a comfortable grip, perfect for cast iron, pots, and vegetables. Straw brushes in varying lengths ensure your straws stay spotless, catering to all types. The Bajun ironing board wall mount combines functionality with space-saving convenience. Designed to hold most T or Y-shaped ironing boards, it also accommodates towels, jackets, cleaning brushes, and folding chairs. Made from durable metal with soft plastic to protect your items, it ensures a long-lasting solution for organization. Its compact design optimizes storage without taking up floor space, making it perfect for laundry rooms, closets, garages, and more. With easy installation on walls or doors using included hardware, this mount is a practical addition to any home. The OXO Good Grip Swivel Vegetable Peeler makes peeling fruits and vegetables effortless. Its swiveling twin blades adapt to tough skins like potatoes and apples with ease, while the soft, non-slip handle ensures comfort even during repetitive strokes or when wet. Equipped with a built-in potato eye remover and a convenient hanging hole, it's designed for practicality and storage. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, this peeler is a kitchen essential for both everyday use and special preparations.